Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by quickly assessing the environment to know what you're dealing with and why it matters. Walk the site, mark hotspots, and rank risks so you tackle the most dangerous problems first. Once done, collect personal protective equipment and clear collection materials. This prevents cross-contamination and keeps volunteers safe. Make sure to separate hazardous items from general waste immediately, because correct sorting reduces cleanup time and disposal costs. Now you're ready to begin removing the highest priority contaminants. You move into the core work: contain, remove, and decontaminate. First, cordon and stop spread. Use absorbents on liquid spills and block drainage to avoid downstream contamination. Then remove debris systematically, work from clean to dirty zones, and put recyclables, organics, and hazardous items into separate labeled containers so they go to the correct facility. Once items are out, clean hard surfaces with targeted cleaners and neutralizers. This lowers pollutant levels and prevents recontamination as you finish the middle steps. You finish by verifying the site is safe and documenting what you did and why. Inspect drains, soil, and vegetation for remaining residues. Take photos and measurements so you can prove success and track improvements. Once done, log waste weights and disposal routes to comply with regulations and to inform future actions. If contamination persists or readings exceed safe thresholds, escalate to specialists. This troubleshooting step prevents recurrence and ensures long-term recovery of the environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.